Hello, isang napakagandang umaga na naman po sa ating lahat. Ngayon po ay meron tayo na namang napaka-importanteng lesson for today. So we are going to discuss about creating a formula in Microsoft Excel. So yung formulas natin in Microsoft Excel are used to perform calculations. So ginagamit natin to para makapag-perform tayo ng mga computations na hindi tayo mahihirapan at paulit-ulit. So, Excel uses standard. Yung Microsoft Excel po ay gumagamit ng standard computer operating symbols for mathematical and logical operation. So, ibig sabihin, hindi tayo pwedeng basta-basta na lang gumamit ng symbol na hindi po accepted ng Microsoft Excel. Kasi if that's so, hindi po talaga gagana yung gagawin natin na computations using Microsoft Excel. So, there are, yung nakikita nyo in front of you, are those math operators which is accepted by Microsoft Excel. So, kung nakikita natin dito yung basic math operation symbols nandyan, plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, forward slash for division, exponentiation, open and close parentheses for concatenation, yung end sign, colon, range, and space, range intersect. So, kung meron tayong math operators, we also have logical operators in Microsoft Excel. So, operator symbol, equal sign, equal to. Yung description niya compares one value to other value. And usually, equal sign used to start our equation in Microsoft Excel. So, pag magta-type tayo ng equation, you will always start your equation with an equal sign. So, another symbol is greater than symbol. So, tinitest yung comparison. So, this one, yung nasa baba, ito yung lahat na symbols to test the comparisons of numbers. So, less than symbol, greater than or equal symbol, less than to or equal to, and not equal to. So far, ito po yung math operators and ito naman yung logical operators accepted in Microsoft Excel. So, there are 3 ways para makapaggawa tayo ng formula sa Microsoft Excel. So, kapag nalaman nyo po to, I'm sure, kahit hindi kayo magaling sa math, magiging magaling kayo because of your formula. So, automatic, lahat ng computations nyo, ang dali-dali at hindi nyo kailangang ulit-ulitin. So, kapag meron na kayong naka-set up, papalitan nyo na lang yung data, automatic, the computer will do the computations for you. So, number 1. Number 1 is using point and click. Ibig sabihin, you will use your mouse to point and then click para makagawa tayo ng formula. Number 2, by typing a formula. So, sabi natin, pag magta-type tayo ng formula, we will always start our equation with an equal sign. And number 3, by copying or filling a formula. So, tara na, let us now try and explore the process of creating the formula in Microsoft Excel. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo, using this sample. So, meron po tayong ginawa dito, list of student. So, yung pangalan na lang nila is student A, student B, student C, student E, student F, and student G. So, tatanggalin po natin yung total and average. Kasi, yun yung gagawa natin ng formula para maipakita ko sa inyo gaano ba kadali or gaano ba kahalaga kapag natuto tayo ng formula using Microsoft Excel. So, tanggalin muna natin to. So, una, syempre, you need to have Microsoft Excel application. So, ito na po yung binuksan natin. So, minimize muna natin. So, ito na. So, right after we open an application, actually, wala po siyang laman. Ganito po makikita nyo yung itsura. Ito yung environment mismo ng Microsoft Excel. So, kung baguhan kayo, siguro iisipin nyo napaka-complicated naman. Kasi, tingnan nyo, may mga lines siya. Ang tawag natin dito, grid lines. Pag hindi kayo masyadong marunong mag-visualize, paano pa gagamitin yung Microsoft Excel? Parang ang hirap-hirap. Pero once na matuto kayo, ang dali-dali pala. So, ito yung ginawa nating sample ng grade ng learners natin on the first quarter. So, we have student name, English, Filipino, Math, kukunin natin yung total and the average grade of the learner. So, ito yung po yung mga grades nila. So, sabi natin, una, gamitin natin yung point and click. Kaya lang, this is a combination of point and click at saka typing. So, in creating a formula in Microsoft Excel, yung first na iisipin natin, saan ba natin gustong mag-appear yung result or yung computation ng ating ng mga numbers. So, kunyari, ito total, since there is a label above, kailangan nandito po siya. For student A, dito natin i-click para dito rin mag-appear yung result ng formula. So, by point and click, kaya lang, we cannot write equal sign, we cannot put equal sign kung hindi tayo magta-type. So, ang gagawin natin, it's a combination of point and click and by typing. So, sabi natin, always start your equation with an equal sign. And then, using the point and click, kunin natin yung grades ni student A by simply pointing and then click. Yan. And then, sabi natin, plus sign for addition to get the sum. Plus sign ulit, and then click. So, automatic, yung formula natin na nagawa is equal sign B3 plus C3 plus D3. So, right after makagawa tayo ng formula, we are going to enter. So, the total grade of student A with grades of 86, 86, and 86 is 258. So, let us try naman computing for the average. Sabi natin, always start your equation with an equal sign. So, equal sign. Ta-type lang yung equal sign. And then, since it's average, we are going to put it in parentheses. The same computation. So, i-add muna natin grade in English plus grade in Filipino plus grade in Math. And then, close parentheses. Since tatlo po siya, we are going to divide it into 3 using the forward slash. And then, yung derive natin na formula is equal sign, open parentheses, B3 plus C3 plus D3, close parentheses, and then forward slash to divide, divided by 3, and then enter. So, the average grade of student A is 86. So, kung titingnan natin, tama naman siya kasi 86 plus 86 plus 86 divided by 3 is 86. So, let us try changing the number or yung grades. Gawin natin 78, 78, and then 78. So, try to look at the result kung tama yung computation natin. So, nakita nyo, tama naman. Ibig sabihin, you don't only type the equation and be happy kapag may result. We need to analyze kung tama ba yung result base dun sa hinihingi. Kaya nga, Microsoft Excel for academic analysis because we want to make sure kung tama yung result ng ginawa natin. So, let us try another for student B. So, sabi natin, tingnan nyo po kung paano gagawin. Type equal sign. To start the equation, click yung grade. Ilagay yung plus sign. To add, plus sign uli, plus yung grade. And then, press enter. So, the same procedure for computing the average of student B. So, open parentheses uli, grades plus 87 plus 87 uli plus close parentheses and then divide it using the forward slash by 3. So, the result is 87. So, tama naman siya. So, yung unang ginawa natin is a combination of typing and pointing para maka-derive tayo ng formula. Pero this time, since sabi natin yung last way to create a formula is simply by copying and filling. So, i-click natin to. Yun, may formula po siya sa formula bar. Ibig sabihin, we will just copy the formula and then we are going to drag it going down. So, ito yung method to copy the formula. The same thing, click yung last number with the formula, point, autofill handle, and then drag mo po uli siya. So, tingnan nyo, ang daming numbers, ilang procedures lang, automatically you get the total and average. That's how simple Microsoft Excel is. So, hopefully guys, learners, sana po ay natutunan natin. Kung hindi man, pwede nyo pong uling balikan yung procedures para makita nyo kung paano ba talaga ginagawa ang formula sa Microsoft Excel. So, sabi natin, to review, there are 3 ways to create a formula or to enter a formula in Microsoft Excel. So, sabi natin, it's using point and click. Number 2, by typing a formula. Number 3, by copying or filling a formula. Ang tanong, alin po ba dito sa tatlong formula or procedures ang sa palagay nyo ang pinakamadali? So, bahala na po kayo kung alin yung mas madali, yun ang gagamitin natin. So, hopefully guys, may naitulong po ako sa inyo para mas madali nyo pong maintindihan kung paano nga ba tayo gagawa ng formula na gamit po yung Microsoft Excel. So, yun lang po at maraming salamat and stay safe with our family and good afternoon.